Hi friends, I'm sitting in my office at 10 o'clock in the morning. There's a mail or maybe mobile phone on my phone from the insurance company. Sir, there's a big fire in a textile factory worth around 50 crores. Please go and attend to the loss. This is what I am briefed, nothing else. And we start our life. We start our work as an insurance surveyor. We are on the job and we start insurance survey. Friends, this is Ram Gopal Verma, insurance surveyor and loss assessor for last 35 years, handling fire claims. I'm a chartered accountant and cost accountant. And I'm sharing all these information, all this knowledge with all the insurance surveyors across the country to benefit one and all. How do you handle a claim? There's a big fire. You don't know what to handle. You have never handled such a big claim. But it doesn't make any difference whether it is 5 lakhs, 5 crore or 50 crores. Basic principles of insurance survey are all same. Now, to share all that information, all that knowledge is all in this book, INSURE and Be Secure for Fire Insurance Claims, written by Ram Gopal Verma. All my experience I put up in this book so that all the engineers, chartered accountants, cost accountants, they can handle insurance claims perfectly. Insurance knowledge, you will be surprised, is same across the globe, whether it is USA, India, Australia, anywhere. Fire is a fire. The rules of the game are same. There is no difference in a fire in any country. Within India also, there is no difference whether it is Kerala or Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, anywhere. I go for insurance surveys across the country, handle all types of claims. You can't say no, sir, I won't handle this claim. You are an insurance surveyor. All that knowledge is clubbed up in this book. All this knowledge I've shared in this book to benefit all the insurance surveyors. I know if you want insurance survey knowledge, while practicing, you may have a problem. You can go to anybody as a surveyor and ask him, sir, what should I do? Do you think anybody would guide you? No, because problem is still there. If you ask somebody, sir, similar cases you have handled earlier, can you share the survey report? Can you show me the file? I doubt. Nobody is going to share this. This is private and confidential. Sorry, I can't share it with anybody. I submit to insurance company, that's all. As a friend, whatever it is, sorry, I can't handle. Now, insurance surveyor may be in Kerala, maybe in West Bengal, any place. I can't talk to everybody. I can't help everybody physically, personally. So I thought, why not write a book on practical insurance claims so that I can help one and all. Even if I have not seen somebody, even if somebody is not born, let him read my book and get the benefit, get the knowledge. How to handle a plastic industry fire or paper industry fire or textile or chemicals or turmeric or anything. Read the book and get the knowledge. How to make a survey report? Read it. It is there. All that knowledge. Now, having shared all that knowledge, there are a lot of integrities. Lot of complications are there in insurance claims. For example, GST, which has been implemented in the country for last 5 years. There are a lot of problems. You don't know whether the GST to be paid or not. On stocks, the GST is payable as well as not payable. Under what surveyor says, sir, insurance company doesn't pay GST. Sorry, we don't pay. It's wrong. You may allow GST part. Finally, you may be wrong. So what should be done? As a chartered accountant, I can tell you when it is payable, when not. On stocks, machines, building. Everything I have clarified which has been used by all the head offices of the insurance companies. They all read my book. Sir, yes, you have clarified. And you will be surprised. This book has been given as evidence to High Court in different states. And they have accepted it as an evidence written by a professional. So there is no confusion. Let us not create, let us not say that GST is not payable. No, it's wrong. Under what circumstances payable, read on the book. I clarified everything. Whether it's plant and machinery, whether it's building, whether it is stocks. This book will be very useful to all the insurance surveyors across the country. Now come to the second part. Now when you go in for insurance survey, you will find plant and machinery is burnt, stock is burnt, building is burnt. Now there are some salvage values. For a 1 crore claim, how much insurance fees you will be paid to you? Maybe 1 lakh roughly. But what about the stock that is damaged in the fire? You have to sell it as a salvage. Sometimes the salvage value is very high. In one of the claims, I found out 2 crore worth of salvage I could sell in a loss of 5 crore. I got 2.5 lakh rupees as survey fees. And salvage value 2 crore I sold. How much I got? 10 lakhs. Why is that money? What to do in such a case? Read on my book. 2 lakhs maybe survey fees and 10 lakhs as salvage sale fees. There's huge amount of money insurance company pay us to reduce the loss, to minimize the loss. But as a surveyor, who will tell you how to handle the salvage part? Whole chapter I have given in this book on salvage sale. Having done that, I have shared 27 live case studies that has been handled by me. You go to the country, forget India, why not all over world? You will get cases of fire claims related to 1840, 1940. What do you do all those claims? Useless. I've given this practical handled by me, which is shared in the book. Survey reports, yes, it is there. What are the complications? Yes, it is there. I've shared with everybody. These claims have paid me in a huge manner. I earned rich knowledge. Insurance paid me rich fees. That rich knowledge will be useless if I don't write a book. Read on the book. Handle similar type of claims. Insurance company will pay you in a fantastic manner. They will reward you. Nothing like it. Your profession as an insurance surveyor is well paid. But you should know what to do. How do you minimize the loss? How do you handle the claim? Now insurance company says, sir, please do volumetric analysis. In case of a paper industry, how do you handle it? You don't know. There are a couple of volumetric case studies I have given for textiles, for papers, for chemicals, different types, for maybe even plywood industry. Every industry has got a unique type of dealing that you have to handle. Now, who will share all that knowledge? Me. None other than Ram Gopal Verma. I share all that knowledge with all the insurance surveyors so that tomorrow there should not be any problem to insurance surveyors. One who is an engineer today, he may not know anything. He doesn't have practical experience. But by reading this book, he will become an expert insurance surveyor. Now IRDA says, okay, there is no limit. A category, B category, C category. No. It's all insurance surveyors are equal. So, if you are intelligent, if you have got a guidance from Ram Gopal Verma, yes, you can make a big survey report and you can claim big survey fees. No problems. When IRD is accepting that any surveyor can do any amount of loss, then who is going to stop you? Long back 20 years, I did a claim and I was paid fantastically by insurance company. I was C category, but there was no limit of amount that time. And they paid me nicely. Now again those days have come back again when there is no restriction on categorization and all that. Whether you're fellow surveyor, associate or licensee, A category, B or C, fine. If you've got interested, if you've got a passion, if you've got a knowledge you want to get, it is here. Your passion and my knowledge, they combine. They become 1 and 1 level. 3.5 lakhs worth of claim pays you 10,000 rupees survey fees. That is equal to the cost of the book. After that, all your profit, and no fire claim would be of 3.5 lakhs. It would be always 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 3 crore, 10 crore. By this knowledge, you can always be paid by the insurance companies fantastic amount of survey fees. Your knowledge, fine. When I go to insurance companies, you will be surprised. General managers and CMDs, they ask me, Mr. Verma, you have done such a fantastic job as a insurance. What about after you? I said, sir, don't worry. I've created so many insurance surveyors in my office. Now there are people there working across the country. And what about the knowledge? Sir, this is the book. They're all really so happy. Sir, you have written a book practically for the insurance companies, insurance surveyors, insurance industry. It's really great. Your contribution to the industry will be really worthwhile and it will be a great, whole industry would be grateful. So when it is useful to the insurance companies, why not to a surveyors? Why not to the insurance industry? So my purpose is to enrich your knowledge. Now whatever knowledge I have, I've given it to all the insurance surveyors, because I can give only what I have. I cannot give what I don't have. Like you are an engineer, you can give engineering knowledge. I am a chartered accountant. But insurance survey knowledge is unique, which you don't get anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world. I thought, why not write a book with all my practical expenses? That is why I write. And I doubt that you find such a book in the country, anywhere, nowhere. Nobody has written so far such a book of 500 pages, such a fantastic collection of case studies with all the survey reports, all the LORs, all the mails, all the discussions, all the different complicated points, everything I have discussed in the book. So I think it will be a great contribution to the insurance fraternity by me. So my purpose is not to hide the information, not to hide the knowledge. My purpose is to share all the information and knowledge. That is where comes this book. Thank you very much.